Do you want to remove background noise on Messenger call?
You can reduce noise on video and audio calls on Facebook Messenger with just a few simple steps. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to remove background noise on Messenger call. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. I've also added some helpful tools and apps in the description. Check them out after watching this video. To remove background noise on a Messenger call, first, open the Messenger app on your mobile device. Once you're in Messenger, scroll through your chat list and open the conversation where you want to start an audio or video call. Now, at the top of the chat conversation, you will see the audio and video call icons. Tap on either the video or audio call icon to start the call. Once the call has started, tap the three dots menu in the top right corner of the screen. A new screen will appear with various video and audio call settings options. From here, find and tap on Call Settings. A new screen will appear with various options. Here, you will see the Noise Suppression option. To remove background noise and improve the call quality, enable the toggle switch next to Noise Suppression. Now, Messenger will remove background noise and enhance the sound quality of your call.